Guys, I'm back. We have a problem with this washer dryer, the Hoover Wizard remote. I'm just going to put that back in. So as you can see, that's still in now. Now, for some reason, let me just show you what's wrong with this. It looks like all these programs and all the functions no back. But I think we should make some more experience with it now. That's just saying STBY.
It looks like standby.
No, I think that means it's saving power, and I think yeah guys,
probably.
I think this is just broke.
Okay, no, I think you'll be okay. If you shut the door and press start, it should be okay. Oh, great, okay. Right,
It's not even showing any display. It's not even showing that.
Okay, well, let's get on to the next bit.
No way. Oh, no. Wait, no, wait. No. Yeah, it looks like the whole machine's broken. Wait a second. Let's see. I don't think it is broken, but if I close the door, will it work? Let's find out. Oh, okay, guys, listen. That's just showing. I'm hoping this was not broken. Okay, I think we should make more experience, guys. So it's just draining the water out. No leaks, but it's just showing that. Now, once it's drained the water out, listen to this, guys. I'm just gonna hope that it still works, and hopefully it doesn't do this when I press on the spin. So it's got all the water out. So let's try spin. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah, back to normal, guys. Okay. So yeah. So guys. Oh, I've not broken it. So yeah, it's okay. So yeah, guys, see you at the jamming Hoover Wizard mode bit, guys. Okay.